to my channel. How you guys doing? In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my easy meaty pasta. I'm not going to use like the regular pasta, I'll be using the wheel pasta. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. And all my measurements and ingredients for this easy meaty pasta will be in the description box down below, and also all my social media links will be in the description box down below. Okay guys, you guys can go and follow me. Alright, so here's my ingredients for my easy meaty pasta, my wheel pasta, guys. Enjoy. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my easy meaty pasta. So I have some green seasoned mustard hot sauce, lime, ground beef, carrots, tomatoes. I'll be using the wheel pasta today. I also have some onion, garlic, ginger, celery, sweet pepper. I'll also be using some Banko wine. I have some fine leaf thyme, Wiri pepper, and all my different spices. Tomato paste, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. So here now I have some salt. I'm going to pour some salt now into the water, and then I'm going to pour in my wheel pasta, and then you're going to give it a stir and let it boil for a few minutes until it finishes cooking. So I'm going to cover my pot. So now I'm going to pour some oil into my pot, about 5 tablespoons oil, and I'm going to fry up all of my veggies: onion, garlic, ginger, celery, fine leaf thyme, Wiri pepper, sweet pepper. You're going to give that a stir. Let it cook for a few minutes. So now I'm going to pour in my carrots and fry it up with the veggies. And that cook for a few minutes as well. So now I'm going to pour in my ground beef or ground mince. So I'm going to mash that up and mix it up into the veggies. Stir, stir, stir. So the ground beef is well mixed up there in the veggies. So now I'm going to pour in my lime. I cut up my lime into 5 pieces, and I'm using the seedless lime. So you're going to make sure you squeeze all of the lime into the mix. If you don't have lime, you could also use vinegar as well, but I use lime in mine. So now you're going to give it a stir, mix up all the lime juice into the mix, like that. So now I'm going to pour in my green seasoned and mustard hot sauce. Give it a stir again. So now we're going to put in our spices: oregano, chili powder, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, all-purpose seasoning, and tomato cubes. Give it a stir as well. Mix up all of the spices into the ground beef. So now I'm going to pour in some Banko wine and some tomato paste. And you're going to mix everything together. Don't forget guys, all of my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. I'm going to pour in my tomatoes. Give it a stir again. If you're new to my channel guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Thank you. So you're going to keep on stirring, mixing up everything into the ground beef, and let it cook for a few minutes. It's been cooking for a few minutes there. This is all cooked well and it's all finished. But what I did also off camera, I took a spoon and I drained out some of the oil that is settling up top. Yes, I drained that off as well, so you guys can do that. So now I'm checking on my wheel pasta. The wheel and the pasta round and round, round and round. So my wheel pasta finished boiling there. So I'm gonna go and put it to strain now. Then I'm gonna dish on my food and let you guys see the end results. So everything's finished cooking there, guys. I have my plate ready to dish out my food. Guys, I eat a lot, so I'm gonna fill this plate with my wheel pasta, guys. So that's enough. So now I'm gonna put in my mint. So here you have it, guys. I just took out my Wiri pepper. That pepper is hot. So this is my plate, guys. And my easy, meaty wheel pasta. So I'm gonna give you guys a full view of it from every angle, so you guys can see. You guys can try this recipe as well. The kids would love it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up as well. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you reach at the end of the video, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. I would really appreciate it, alright? Thank you guys again so much for watching. And see you in the next video. Bye, guys!